Next in your quick start guide, we're going to talk about the types of inventory available. So Zeropark offers you different inventory types to select for your campaign, and they are going to differ between each other by their price and conversion rates. So you have 4 different types. First we have pre-selected, next there's premium, standard, and remnant. So let's talk about pre-selected. Pre-selected is powered by machine learning. Pre-selected traffic is Zeropark's flagship inventory type. So it will propel your campaigns with traffic from the globally best performing targets based on data from the last 7 days, resulting in ever-increasing efficiency in your advertising efforts. So by selecting the pre-selected traffic segment, you're pretty much describing your campaigns to a constant flow of traffic from targets characterized by high conversion rates over the last 7 days. So Zeropark updates this list of these proven targets every 12 hours. The new traffic segment is available in the inventory type section when starting new or editing existing run-of-network campaigns, multi-geo campaigns, and keyword campaigns. Alright, so let's talk about premium and standard for the next traffic types. So apart from pre-selected, Zeropark will offer these 2 options whenever you're creating a pop campaign. So the first is going to be premium, which is recommended. You get high quality filtered and approved traffic at competitive bids, and that helps address the invalid traffic scenario that you now hear when it comes to pop under traffic or pop-up traffic. And you also have the standard inventory type, which is your standard run of network traffic at lower bids. So how can you optimize and what are your restrictions? When it comes to premium and standard inventory campaigns, you can definitely optimize at the source and target campaign level. And you can do this with pausing and adding custom bids at your target and source levels. So once the premium or standard campaign is saved, you can switch the campaign between those 2 inventory types, but you can't select the remnant inventory type. That's just not going to be an option. So this is because the nature of remnant traffic and the fixed rates that it's sold on, it makes optimization only possible at the source level. So therefore, remnant traffic is not only non-refundable, but that limits and restricts you from being able to optimize at target. So obviously it's not available. Alright, so the feature is available for these 2 traffic types under run of network campaigns for POP, and then also under multi-geo campaigns for POP. And then last you have the traffic type remnant. So the remnant traffic is unsold traffic that is available for a flat price. So it cannot be targeted and it's only available for run-on-network or multi-geo pop campaigns. So once you start your campaign, you will not be able to switch it to the remnant traffic. Alright, so here's how you would select your inventory type. So as you can see, I am under the pop campaign targeting options under the pop traffic source. From here you can do run-of-network, keyword, or multi-geo. We're going to do run-of-network. And then from here you have your inventory types. So if for any reason you are not familiar with which inventory that you would like to choose, as there are different types, just click the question mark. And also it's going to be extremely important that you take notice of the difference in the cost per views per tier. So when you so let's say if you need to know what tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 are, there is a guide that will help you. But once you enter in your tier, it'll usually show you which tier it is. So tier 3, this would be your minimum cost per click. I'm going to see if we can get a tier 2 in here. Oh, no, they're tier. Let's go to Australia for a tier 1. So as you can see, that's going to be your minimum cost per click. And then let's go to China. They're tier 3. Let's try Austria, just so you can see that the colors will change. So make sure you keep note of your tiers so you know what your minimum cost per view is for that particular geo, and then you can set up your campaign.